Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. In my previous video, I started lesson 7. Name of a lesson is the contest. Before going to today's explanation part, let me recapitulate few points of this lesson. Contest. Meaning of contest I explained you in my last video. An event in which people compete for supremacy in a sports or other activity. And I explained you the meaning of supremacy too. Supremacy meaning is what? The state or condition of being superior to all. The state or condition of being superior to all. It's a story of long ago. The people of the group of villages always choose a common headman and they call that headman as a governor. Once the old governor fell very ill, so they decided to choose a new governor, right? The wisest man in the region should be our new governor. The people are deciding in this way. What they said, the wisest man in the region should be our new governor. But they leave a magician in one of those villages. He proclaimed that he, being the wisest man in all villages, should be a new governor. He said that I am the wisest man in all the villages and I'll be a new governor. No one dared to argue with that magician. Why? Because he can change a frog into a man into a frog, it seems. Nobody could say a word until the milkmaid spoke to a laundress. So here the conversation has started between milkmaid and the laundress. That magician is fraud. What he said, that magician is a fraud. Who said? Milkmaid. To whom? To the laundress. He cannot change a frog into a man or a man into a frog. He says he is the wisest person in all the land, but he is not. So, let us come for today's explanation part. When these both were talking, on that time, shoemaker was listening their conversation. The village shoemaker overheard the conversation, whole conversation. Shoemaker is also called as cobbler. Conversation between the So the shoemaker overheard this conversation, right? What he said? After listening this conversation, he said, did you hear what milkmaid said this morning? He said to the village potter. Now the conversation started passing through from one villager to another villager, right? The milkmaid says that the magician will change all of us into frog if he becomes the governor, and that he is not even as wise as her cow. Now shoemaker said this all things to potter. When the potter came to the blacksmith to have his horse shod, he said to the blacksmith, did you hear what the milkmaid said this morning? See how the conversation is passing through. She said that the magician was a frog and that her cow was wiser than the magician, it seems. See how the conversation fully wrongly passing through, right? Near the village there was an inn. I-double-N, meaning of inn is what? A small hotel, a small old hotel at the roadside, or else we can call it as dhaba. When the villagers wanted to hear the latest gossip, they would go to the inn, sit there and have a cup of tea or a glass of buttermilk. At midday, the blacksmith went there to have a cup of tea and heard the latest gossip. He was surprised to know that the innkeeper is nothing but the owner of that hotel. The innkeeper had no knowledge of what the milkmaid has said. So here innkeeper always used to be proud because he is the one who always have all information related to villages and all, village people and all. But this information, this knowledge, he was not aware of that, what milkmaid said to the laundress and the information passing through all the villages and all. But he is not aware of this all things. So he is little bit upset. Why? Because He used to be proud of himself because all the gossips goes on in his inn. Anyhow, the blacksmith passed this information to the innkeeper also. I underlined few vocabulary here. Work on that. How to work, you all are aware of that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself as well as your family.